Okay, we are so live here at Accra Sports Stadium where ultimately House of Oak has been crowned the champions of 2020-2021 Ghana Premier League. But obviously they still have a match against Wafa Asoga Kope. But they have been crowned champions. We have the captain extraordinaire who is here to speak with us. Boss, Fatao, you are welcome to Famous One Sports TV.
Thank you very much.
What has been the challenge and what has been the daunting task as you people have been crowned the champions, looking at the challenges and other things you have gone through?
First of all, we have to give a thanks to Almighty Allah for giving us to until the end of this season. When we are coming to start the season, we set our target that this season we must take the league. Unfortunately, we started the season, we couldn't start it well. That's the nature of the football, because you can start the season well, but you can't end well. But you can start season bad, then you end up well. That's what we did. We started the season, it wasn't favoring us. But we thank Almighty Allah. At the end of the day, we have gotten the favor, then we crown the champions of the league.
A lot of people have come, captains have come, but they couldn't conquer. They couldn't win the trophy for House of Oak. But you have been able to lead House of Oak to your first trophy in about 12 years and 8 seasons in the Ghana Premier League. What has been the secret for Fatao?
Yeah, nothing is the secret. It's about the training. The day in, day out, we have to work hard. When you choose football as your career, you have to work hard and achieve your aim. Because this is not where we want to be. We want to go high. So this is a stepping stone for us so that we can meet our target. So we finish the league, we are the league champions. We think ahead.
You have passed through the hands of a lot of coaches. What is the secret and how do you see Coach Samuel Boadu?
Yeah, I can say Samuel Boadu is a nice man. He take us. We are like brothers. He didn't take himself as he's a coach. He make himself like he's like us. We work together. We laugh together. When it's time for jokes, we see that we are all joking together. When there is time for work, we see that he's serious. Everybody will be working. That's how football have to be. You know, when we are playing this kind of club, House of Oak and Kotoko, there is a lot of pressure on it. So if the coach can show the pressure, then he bring the happiness to the boys. You see that everybody will be performing well. That's what he did.
You are going for Africa. What is your preparation? Do you think House of Oak can reach semi-finals or even finals of the Champions League?
Yeah, for now, I can say we are focusing about the league. We haven't finished the league yet. When we finish the league, then we start. When the tournament started, then people will see where House of Oak will land.
All right, so you have last match against Wafa. How are you going into the match?
Yeah, like we've been going to all the matches. Because we play match after match. Now we finish Liberty. We are going to Wafa. We go all out what we have been doing. We do the same thing.
As you can all see, they are so much happy here and they are enjoying themselves. But we are still finding out whether we can still get other people to also be communicating with. So we want to get 1 or 2 people and then we communicate with them. Manav, you are welcome to Famous One Sports.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. You started the season on a slow pace. What was the secret of which House of Oak emerged champions in 2020-2021?
Yeah, it's a teamwork. And we work as a team, and there's a unity, and we pray a lot. So yeah.
You are going to Soga Kope for your final match. What is the preparation into the match?
Yeah, I think they should expect more because we are not going to lose that game if we go. Yeah.
You are going for Africa. Do you see House of Oak going to do something for Ghana?
Yeah, sure. We have to go and do our best. Yeah, for the club and for the fans. Yeah.
What is the message you have for House of Oak fans there who are happy, enjoying the trophy?
Yeah, they should keep on supporting us, and we also continue proving for them that they will be happy. We also make them happy always. Yeah. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, we also have the champion coach himself, even though he's assistant. But when you look at the work he's doing for House of Oak, especially when they move from Idiama FC to House of Oak with the head coach Samuel Boadu, the kind of work they've done for House of Oak, it is tremendous. Finally, it has paid dividends. Coachy, you are welcome to Famous One Sports TV.
Thanks very much, boss.
What was the challenge especially? What were you thinking when you were asked to come and assist Samuel Boadu at House of Folk?
Well, I think it was a big privilege for me, and you know, I've been working with him for the past years, and the cordiality is there, and the relationship in this type of work is there. We understand ourselves very well, and he's my boss. Anything that you see me doing here is the instruction being from him, and that I have to go by the words and go by the tactical instruction given to me, so that I can also implement it in the play. So when they also have the opportunity to play, they have to deploy it on the field of play.
Okay, you have a final match against Wafa at Sugakope. How are you approaching the match?
After our game with Dreams, we the technical team and the players sat down, and we decided we are not going to lose any match from that side, and you can verify from that time till now we've not lost, and that we are keeping on with good concentration. We are going there with the maximum 3 points. There is no word that we have to use, and the only word I'll use is that only one God that we serve, and that we came here to work, not to talk. So you people have verified and you've seen the work, the good work that Samuel Boadu and his technical room back staff are doing.
Okay, thank you very much. But as you are going for Africa, what is your preparation towards it?
I think it's a step by step. This time around, we are still playing the league. The next step is the MTN FA Cup. When we are done with the MTN FA Cup, we come with a new strategy and people will see us.
Thank you very much, Hamza.
Welcome, boss.
She needs no introduction. We have Maya here, who is a son supporter of House of Folk. Maya, you are welcome to Famous One Sports TV.
Thank you very much.
You have always been supporting House of Folk. What has been the difference in most of the matches that you have watched and this one?
So far, the difference is Hearts and Kotoko. Yeah, because our boys did very, very well. They impressed me that very day, and I think they did very well. Yeah, so that is the difference I could see through this season. So yeah.
What is so special about today's match?
It is very special because this alone tells everybody that House of Folk have taken the trophy already, or we have taken the league. Because since, let me say, 11 years now, and today too is 11/11/2021, right? So we are taking the trophy, and we are very much happy, and congrats to every House of Folk supporter, and then our prayers too.
Are you sure House of Folk in their last match against Wafa, they should go in with all the Arsenals and get the maximum points, or you think they can leave that match?
Even that day we are scoring three. We have 3 goals, and so we even they are aware that we are taking the league. So the goals are there waiting for us. All we want is that very day we can, then our boys will put the goals to the net, and that is all.
Thank you very much, Maya.
You are most welcome.
All right. If you are new at Accra Sports Stadium, you wouldn't know this man, but everybody here knows him, especially House of Folk supporters who are always following the team to wherever they go. Augustine is here, a son supporter of House of Folk. Augustine, Famous One Sports TV. From the beginning, one supporter House of Folk Abedu Samri. Enijia Wenyano, at say.
First of all, me da mumu ase, ana me do bibia o hwe me, ana o tie me nso me da bibia ase. Well, obisam say anije no ti say. Me Augustine 1, me na me see has emu ye de say aware. The only me di no ana on ti ase no, on fa me court. Anije ndie oh anije bia wura me mo to extent say me call slow motion. Oh, but within my heart, you know, nyame kwa na enim de ekoso me mu.
Me hu say wakogina perimeter no ho a wo toto nsa wo kasa dan ankasa na oka
sometimes you free na ye ba say ye ba be support House of Folk na referee for no ebi musu na omudi results and say omu ye niam bia ani yakoma enko hwe say ye bobo a wo referee ugira field no so a wonim say match na wodi na kasa no enko ye yet still you went ahead and I wako ye there and say I know about say ntokwa bi ba ana edi winti bi ba e ye referee for that cause ye supporters in there ye ba no ye kita e bia ye whistle ana ye flag e nim say ye di beji ani ana ye team win ye beji ani na so referee because of referee for no ɔmo na ɔmo ma ntɔkwa esi wɔ field no so hwɛ sɛ yɛ ni kɔtɔkɔ airball na yakɔ soa soldiers ɛni armed forces for abegu ha as if say yɛkɔ war between the two supporters and the two teams no yɛ ɛnyɛ ntɔkwa na yɛku we understand ourselves but ɔmo yɛ adi no ho to extent sɛ ɔmo ama nkɔfɔ kora abakora na ɔmo suro.
Okay, even though I can't one match against Wafa, but one left trophy, and North Africa, down one supporters, more the attacks in the chip.
Yeah, supporting them. Me see, me diamu kraponu, me supporting House of Folk. Me sorry kraponu, me supporting House of Folk. I don't know about others, but me dear, has me bibia, me ni hear mo dear. But me see how say moye de chan ware nyankopɔ obosuro ni asase ni ankasa no oyefobia ni ete wo mu no the rainbow colors no they are spreading was so no say me ma mo support house mo hwe suro na mo be hu say meti ase asida na me di ma otwodi ampo nyankopɔ
yeah that's a pan so okay you be hu ansa ni akɔ all right so we also have another man here who also supporter of House of Folk. Yamwakwa Badiba famous one sports TV. Mommy ni House of Folk. Then ewo mani mo hwe se team no besen aye.
Me so dem radio sepan. Radio dia sama mai. La vie si House of Folk yentimi nyele. League ya yaji. The radio sepan de bia me tina. TV su kasa se. House league we yebese. Nyame so ampa ya bad. Wodi ya sama mai. Na me dia support us. Supporters in Yas, so what do Bolano, Ata Aseti, not a town for Nantimania near to near to myself, Liberty Amiaji Capital, a company Azero, the day Lumina Drosso, make a child supporters is African in Yabacoro, one from Molan, said what do Molan Tayatino, one for Samla, near to me Quati, Yako for Sanquem, yet your Pacific, Abba, no Pierre who said, never say die. Until the boss are rotting, and then be quiet, maybe I'm free. The sales say Bobora, maybe I'm Bobby Amaba, and the mapper. And she be boss when we are saying, with the Kunimu coffee, much this and a day of Yama, as of folk. Yet will be Biase, Musa, TV show, I'm about, and me at Castle, yet the moon you ask, some more actually, I'm and when we are saying as of folk, it's not leaking, and then will be Biase, I will need.
Yet as a pound. Now we also have another supporter of House of Folk. Normally, when you hear most of the programs on TV and on radio, you hear his name, Phobia Lover, the man who never lost in town, is here speaking with us. Phobia Lover, at long last, Akawa match, Nelson House of Folk, one left 2020-2021, Premier League, then I walk.
Oh, we got this big play. Another league has to focus on Chelsea Ghana League, has to focus on Abba Ghana League, Who's the first now? Has to focus on Numan na league, na quiet, na you who said the league, a task for Gakra. Has to focus take a league, and Mobile who said no Ghana Premier League, the love is coming back again. We have to focus at Miss Where we are not coaches in the high end. We'll call, we have coach up Piscoya, there won't be the NNC from HM24 for now, no, Yampe foreign coach Biabium. Yampe local coach has happened in Nimit, I was through. I want him Ghana football terrain. And for I did Marco who's our boy do, Coach our boy do, AK Kofiasu, Pep Gadula, Nimit was through. If neighborhood assistant, Hamza Bay, on by a local fiscal trainer, the kind of W. Tando, on the cat who say yes, cohesion, partnership, understanding, I was through. I'm a player, so a captain, like Fatah Mohammed. Now, Papa is required no comment to be. I'm not about to name and Jomuka, but a Momu said no. Whatever they do, or a captain, or Jan Nassau, a team no season. And my own has to folk team winner, a team has to folk a well organized team. As to forget it, I prepare. And you're going to coffee of the other folk because we have to folk and you're betting Africa on betting. Let me some public. Ghana has to go in public. Confederation Cup, Super Cup team behind Ghana Hobby. In the CAF of Fia, this is a talent as a folk. Let's talk CAF. I can go to the talent that Africa said, as a folk are back because we are a team now from goalkeeper Richard Fatah Mohamed Boka, I can say, so Mohamed Hassana, fantastic, Kuba Nima Futu, Banya Futu, Manate, I can say, Tim Maria himself, Okay, best player in Ghana Premier League. Uwe Banya Fie, Yentimi Nkayi, most consistent player, informed player, and the first season with Ghana Premier League. What magic Ghana Premier League? So from that, you better catch in the common penny for no, and the supporters no, and the players no, or much more Mudio and Comaso, or Mudio and Pipada, since 2009 League, this time of Magic League, about all correct. And as the fuck is also confidence in backup. I have backing cup by as the fuck first. Grow Premier League by as the fuck first. And that's by a league in the good way. It was a revival league, as the fuck had the Premier League first. As the fuck the best team in Africa.
Okay, Moko, until my last match, I'm Moko, I am Sugar compared. I wanted to say, how's the book?
Oh, here your coach now. Coach somebody no. As the fuck one question the go any match same match I win. Young fan never say be a league no. A person set record be how be a second I lose match. You call you can dream the second share 2. So that you lose match. You person you this time around no. I got to offer say no. We are going there to beat what far us down because I preparation that match because can assistant coach I'm to be big time. Any liberty no chair and offer match no chair no approach or the call. Offer match win. I must win match. Yeah, make I say be a winning match. Yeah, na say yeah, winning league into no. We want to set record America match win for what for the supporters. Ever get passes, alcohol, or one of the big team more baha and some of the cap na there. Ashensa, win match of folk. Na team ni ba no and do match of folk to them. I feel quite new Lagos City. Yeah, 2 years old. Them never I was just a folk. I'm who said this is as a folk new song. And like here, it's na mendum as a folk team I support to any bosom. Everybody, here go Yanso, here go Yanso, Onya me sonsme, here go Yanso, so mwafi. And do my son crying. We are sabia by for going to me cry so than got as soon to make no. Just for a gilliga,
okay, Phobia lover, Yado Asipan. All right. So we still have another supporter here. Boss, you are welcome to Famous One Sports.
Thank you so much.
I could see you are really happy because Hazovok has won the league for quite a long time. What has been the secret and challenge, especially going into this season?
Okay, thank you very much. My name is Frank Dia, and then the Chapter 30 chairman. By virtue of my position, I'm privileged to be part of decision making of the team. Now, you see, for the past years, it's been difficult for us to win a trophy. So what we did, particularly for this particular season, is that we met and realized that anytime there's division among management, supporters, technical team, then it's a challenge for us to win any league. So we decided to, put up a strategy. And the strategy was very simple. Now, one, we assign roles to all the stakeholders. So supporters group, our duty is to ensure that we cheer the team and then we encourage the players. Anytime there's a match, we'll go there and then give the support to the team. Now, management also ensure that all the logistics that we will need to work as a team is also provided. Again, the technical team also ensure that, all the elements that we will need to ensure that the team is solid, they put in place. So, see, by getting some players on board, by getting a coach and all that stuff. So, these are all plans that we put in place. Because we knew, because, see, for you to be successful, you need to identify your challenge and then find a solution to it. So once you identify the challenge and then the solution is there, definitely there will be success. So that is what has given us the success today.
So in as much as you belong to a particular chapter, what are you trying to do, especially augmenting the squad as you are going for Africa next season?
Okay, thank you very much. You see, we knew we'll get to this particular stage. There are some few players who will be traveling. So there's a plan to have a backup so that those who will be leaving will have people to fill the vacancy. And we've started. So even as we play today, the bench is very solid. Every player, we have somebody who can replace that particular player. There are some few players that management is thinking of bringing them on board, especially because we're going to Africa. We'll be meeting a lot of teams with experienced players. So there's an arrangement which I cannot say now, but I'm sure Africa will go and conquer. We've done it before, and this year we'll also do it again. Thank you very much.
So what are you telling House of Work fans out there who are waiting patiently for the next match at Sugar Kope to end and then they will be handed the trophy.
Thank you very much. We told them that today's match will be our last match. Last in the sense that this is the match that will give us the trophy. So they are aware. Those who will not be able to go to Soga Company will go there and bring the trophy, and then they will enjoy and feel the victory together. What we are telling them is that, you see, for the support they've been giving the team, we appreciate the support, and we know they can do more. We are encouraging all Phobia supporters who, by one way or the other, are dormant to revitalize their energy so that we can move forward. There are some chapters that are dormant now, but with our victory, I tell you, all the chapters will revive and they will conquer Africa.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Boss, you are welcome to Famous One Sports TV.
Thank you very much, my brother.
Even though you are not in House of Oak jersey or colors, but you are still wearing Umbro.
I came with a Panapelena and a flag as well. But because of the jubilation, somebody just took the flag out of my neck. So that's why I'm not in the flag. But we are not seeing the colors. But I came with some.
How special is today from other days of which you have come to the Accra Sports Stadium?
My brother, it's not easy from day one. I quite remember because of the COVID, there were restrictions that nobody should come to the stadium. But some of us had the privilege. So we were able to come. Sometimes when we come, empty stadium, we are about 20 only supporters. You could fool. The players were not even enjoying anything from the stadium. But as being today, when the restrictions were lifted and people started coming to the stadium, we could feel very happy. Today I'm very happy in one thing. Next week is my birthday. And there's nothing better I could offer than House of Oak to lift the trophy to make my birthday a special one for me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
All right. The excitement and euphoria tells it all that House of Oak has really won the Ghana Premier League for the first time in about 8 seasons. Once again, my name is Ignatius Kabna Asante Minta. Thanks to all the crew of Famous One Sports TV. Go to Famous One Sports TV on your YouTube channel. Go there and watch all the videos. Subscribe and share for others to also watch. My name is Ignatius Kabna Asante Minta. You can simply call me the Wise One. We are out of the Accra Sports Stadium now.
Yeah.